may I move to cite Attorney Lopez in contempt, Mr. Chair. I move.
Alright, wait. If you support the Dutertes at yung mga kalyano nila, then we call ourselves Donatics, okay? From now on, we are Donatics, okay? You and me. Alright mga kaibigan, kung bago ka dito, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Dito naman tayo sa ating political reaction. Alright mga kaibigan, tirahin na natin to. Franz Castro is indicted in contempt si Zuleika Lopez, Attorney Zuleika Lopez, kahapon sa Congress hearing. You know what will happen kung pupunta ka doon? Gigisahin ka lang. You're allowed to speak but you're not heard. That's their motto. Alright, okay, panoorin natin video.
Parang siga-siga ba yung Office of the Vice President na utusan yung OVP, utusan ang COA na hindi kami sundin ang Congress or House of Representatives?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, hindi po siga-siga ang OVP. Ma'am, I truly apologize if there...
Parang hindi congresswoman to si Franz Castro. Can you imagine using the word siga-siga pa yung OVP? What? Parang tambay lang yung kausap niya eh. Parang wala siya sa hearing. Parang hindi professional yung kausap niya. Last time sinabunto ng former president eh, si Tatay Digong. Ngayon, gustong bumawi. Let's go.
Was something in that letter that slighted you on a personal note. It was not my intention, Your Honor.
Sinasabi kasi dito sa sulat na ito na tama ba request lang sa COA na wag pagbigyan yung aming request for the subpoena?
It was really just a request directed to the Commission on Audit, Your Honor.
Pero Mr. Chair, on the second paragraph nung kanyang letter, yung letter po ni Attorney Lopez, nakalagay dito, no, we are of the position that the subject subpoena should not be complied with for the following reasons. Ayun, na-explain mo na yon. Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng should not? Are you commanding? Are you demanding the COA na wag sumunod doon sa subpoena doon sa STECUM?
If Your Honor, Mr. Chair,
ilang pages yan?
Please continue, Attorney.
Yes, if you read the entirety of the letter, it is really a respectful request sa Commission on Audit. We are not demanding them or instructing them. It is...
See, sabi ni Attorney Zuleika Lopez, if you have read the entirety of the letter, and then you will understand that yung demand or something like that, may mga reasons naman. Of course, Franz Castro, ewan ko bakit na nanalo to ng pagka-congresswoman, ginawa niya lang yung phrase na should not. Ilang pages yan? What the? Anong klaseng... Hindi yan pwedeng gawin na kunin mo lang yung phrase na should not and then you let the whole context of the letter be interpreted by the word or by the phrase should not alone. Anong klaseng tao yan? Anong klaseng congresswoman ka? Let's go.
It's really a respectful request if you read in the entirety.
Yes, oo. Pero pag should kasi parang demanding na yon, commanding na yon para sa akin, no?
And,
okay.
Yes, and
okay.
may
So,
I also add...
yes, kung hindi ito demanding, commanding, parang siga-siga ba yung Office of the Vice President na utusan yung OVP, utusan ang COA na hindi kami sundin ang Congress or House of Representatives?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, hindi po siga-siga ang OVP. It is really just a respectful request, Your Honor.
Tapos, nag-agree pa yung...
for them to consider our position. Like all position papers filed, ito po yung we feel that these are the issues that we needed to raise. So, which we addressed to the Commission on Audit.
Okay.
Well, to be honest,
so kanina, Mr. Chair, no, binanggit na ating mga colleagues yung mga dahilan, no, kung bakit mali ang paniniwala ng Office of the Vice President, kung bakit we are holding a hearing in aid of legislation dahil sabi nila wala pa daw batas o wala pa daw panukalang batas. So kaya nga tayo nag-hear ng, di ba, malinaw naman na yan. Pero dito sa letter na ito, Mr. Chair, may plano talaga ang Office of the Vice President na mag-interfere doon sa ating conduct ng ating proceedings. Dahil dito, Mr. Chair. At I'm sorry, Attorney Lopez, no, dahil ikaw yung nakapirma dito, and according to our rule, one of the reasons on the undue is the undue interference in the conduct of proceedings. So may I move, Mr. Chairs, na nag-violate si Attorney Lopez dito sa ating proceedings or doon sa ating trabaho due to this Section 11, letter F, undue interference in the conduct of proceedings. May I move to cite Attorney Lopez in contempt, Mr. Chair? I move.
Grabe talagang proud na to.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, before you make the ruling,
Any second?
if I may be allowed,
Any second to the motion?
uh,
Duly seconded?
What?
Is there any objection?
Nag-second demotion again?
Hearing none, the
Honor.
motion is carried.
respectfully, it was not the intention of the Office of the Vice President to...
Attorney, you wait for me to acknowledge you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Wait.
For that,
Apologize,
Anong klase talaga? Grabe. This is no longer the House of Congress. This is the House of Contempt. Grabe. Kung makakontempt sila, parang namimigay lang ng, ewan ko, ayuda or something. Any attempt to appeal or reconsider should you are cited is no longer necessary because your explanation in this House of Contempt is unheard. Hindi na-take out si Vice President Sara Duterte because of this reason. Kasi anytime, walang respeto yan sila sa kahit sino pa nasa pesto. Pwede na i-contempt kahit Vice President. Kaya ganun sila ka-power tripping. Let's go.
We move for 1 minute suspension.
And see, look at this. Look at the chairman.
Yes, Attorney
Your Honor, Mr.
Lopez.
Chair, I would like to seek reconsideration, Your Honor, of that recent resolution to cite me in contempt, Your Honor. For the record, it was just respectful request to the Commission on Audit. There was no intention, Your Honor, to demand from them or to order them or to commandeer them into something that they did not want to do. It was really something that we requested of the Commission on Audit, and at the end of the day, it is still the Commission on Audit who will decide best, Your Honor. And on another matter, this is a personal note for the Congressman Franz. Ma'am, I truly apologize if there was something in that letter that slighted you on a personal note. It was not my intention, Your Honor. I deeply apologize, and I wish and I hope you would consider my apology. This is my personal apology, ma'am. I
Naawa
would
ako
like
dito.
to request to
Naawa
the
ako kasi
members of the Honorable Committee to lift that contempt
kung may
order or
baby
to
yan?
reconsider
May pinadede.
and grant my request, Your Honor, not to cite me in contempt. Maraming salamat, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
What is the pleasure of Congresswoman Franz Castro?
Well, Mr. Chair, on a personal, no, the apology is accepted. However, in the totality of the discussion from 10 o'clock up to now, nakita natin, Mr. Chair, no, very evasive yung mga sagot ni Attorney Lopez. Tsaka nakita talaga natin na itong letter na to, hindi lang itong letter na to, Mr. Chair, yung totality talaga ng mga discussions pa kanina. Yun yung dahilan bakit natin siya gustong nag-move tayo na to cite in contempt. Kaya, Mr. Chair, I stand by my motion, Mr. Chair.
Okay, since we have already cited Attorney Lopez in contempt, the question now is the period. So what is the pleasure of the body? May we know from
Wait.
Congress?
See, Look at that. Ginawa niya lang dahilan yung should not, na phrase na should not ha, na i-contempt daw si attorney. But lumabas din yung totoo na hindi pala yun ang dahilan. Kundi yung as a whole na attitude ni Attorney Lopez from who knows in the morning. Naghanap lang talaga siya ng kunting dahilan para ma-cite in contempt si Attorney Lopez. Ganon sila kagahaman doon sa Kongreso. Nakakaawa kasi, you know, what if yung attorney na yun may pinadede or something, di ba? What if tapos i-contempt nila for that reason alone? I don't think so. Ganon na talaga sila kagahaman dyan sa Kongreso. Wala man lang nag-object, di ba? Of course. Yan yung gusto nila ilugmok ang mga Duterte. Let's go.
Since maximum naman, Mr. Chair, no, na penalty natin dito is 10 days, considering the health no nung ating resource person. Nakita naman natin siya kanina, no. And naging matyagaan naman siya din sa pagsagot sa atin. So, we will have the next meeting on November 25, Mr. Chair. So, I move na until November 25.
Which is on Monday.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any second to the motion?
Okay.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is
Your
carried.
apology, your attempt
May
to
we
reconsider
request
the
the
motion
sergeant at
are nothing actually.
dito lang po sa vicinity
Kasi
ng
naka-prejudge na yan
House
sila.
of Representative. Yes.
So any attempt will be useless.
So, with that, meron
Chairman.
Yes, the chair would like to recognize Congressman Paduano.
Chairman, ganito lang po. Of course,
Paduano.
si
Paduano.
Attorney Lopez has asked for the lifting of that contempt order by this committee. Attorney, while this committee has decided to stand by what the majority of these members, the members of the committee, to cite you in contempt, still you have your right to appeal, no? Kahit bukas po. That's the
Right to
right
appeal.
of every resource person or witnesses being cited in contempt. And second, I'd just like to clear that the maximum of 10 days, because the violation is of Section 11, Paragraph F, which is undue interference, and under Section 12, maximum penalty for that is only 10 days. No, so E and F lang naman yung 10 days. But of course, malinaw po na yung ruling will be automatically lifted on Monday, no? Upon resumption of the hearing.
See, I told you. Sabi pa ni Paduano na you can appeal tomorrow. What is the difference? Tomorrow and today. And that time. Kung nag-appeal ka, kung hindi nila in-accept yung appeal mo, what's the difference? Kung mag-appeal ka by tomorrow. Di ba? It's nothing. Nothing. And later on, I will tell you bakit nothing yung appeal kung mag-appeal siya by after a day. Wait.
Ano na lang? Habol ako.
Sakay kami sa inyo. sa sakyan nyo? Meron?
Pasunod pa lang po eh.
Hold! Pagkahiya natin, sasakyan natin yung isa yung sakyan nila. Okay, guide natin doon sa center.
Alright. Di ba sabi ko kanina na walang pinagkakaiba ang kung makapil ka ngayon and tomorrow because they already decided. Nag-prejudice na sila na decide ka in contempt. Well, I found out na never nila reconsider ang appeal ni Atty. Lopez. And now, she has to stay 5 days in detention facility. Can you imagine, may pamilya yung tao tapos i-detain mo just because of the new result should not daw? Grabe. And then, wala man nang nag-object. Paduano said, you can appeal. But look, wala. Hindi nila tinanggap yung appeal. Grabe ka. Power tripping talaga yung Congress, no? And I really hate to say this, but I think we should do something to stop them, no? From doing useless thing like Congress hearing daw kuno, pero in aid of legislation daw kuno. But of course, we know in aid of prosecution, in aid of persecution. Ay, naku. Kawawang attorney. Thank you so much, and for more updates, please subscribe. Bye-bye.